Are you an investor looking for premium market opportunities? Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Hello, I'm James Preston and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast, exclusive to Kalkine TV, where we provide you with all the information you'll need for a successful day of trading. The Australian share market is likely to end the week lower after US Federal Reserve policymaker James Bullard revised his forecast to a higher peak of interest rates. Bullard claimed that the Fed needs to continue raising rates by at least another full percentage point, as hikes so far have only had a limited effect on observed inflation. According to the latest SPI futures, the ASX 200 is set to open 5 points or 0.1% lower on Friday. The S&P ASX 200 closed up on Thursday, gaining 13.5 points or 0.19% to 7,135.7. The top performing stocks in the index were Pendal Group Limited and Webjet Limited, up 10.54% and 10.14% respectively. Over the past 5 days, the index has gained 2.47%, but is down 4.15% for the last year to date. Let's now take a look at some price-sensitive announcements coming from the ASX this morning. Far East Gold Limited requested that its shares be suspended from quotation immediately under Listing Rule 17.2, pending the release of an announcement regarding a proposed capital raising. The company listed on the ASX on Monday, March 28, 2022, trading at a price of 28 cents a piece. It's since grown 190% according to Market Index, with the shares currently valued at 58 cents for a market cap of 70.78 million Aussie dollars. Moving on, and BHP has submitted a revised, non-binding indicative proposal to the Board of Oz Minerals to acquire 100% of OZL by way of a scheme of arrangement for a cash price of 28 Aussie dollars and 25 cents per share. The OZL board has confirmed to BHP that it intends to unanimously recommend the revised proposal to OZL shareholders. The revised proposal price of $28.25 per share corresponds to an enterprise value of 9.6 billion Aussie dollars for OZL and represents a significant and attractive premium of 49.3% to OZL's closing price of $18.92 per share on the 5th of August 2022, being the last trading day prior to the initial proposal by BHP. It also represents 59.8% to OZL's 30-day VWAP of $17.67 per share, up to and including the 5th of August, and a 13% increase to BHP's original offer price of 25 Aussie dollars per share. Also making headlines this morning is Wellnex Life Limited. Wellnex, a customer-focused health and wellness brand and product company, has announced its revenue for the first 4 months of financial year 2023 from July 1st to October 30th. Revenue for this period is 8.8 million Aussie dollars, up 60% on the prior corresponding period, which saw revenue of $5.5 million. Wellnex continues to see growth across the business in both its wholly owned brands and contract manufacturing orders. The company anticipates growth in these areas will continue for the remainder of financial year 23 and beyond. The launch of superstar Mark Wahlberg's performance-inspired sports supplement brand and Australia's first organic A2 infant formula brand, Ocean Road Dairies, has contributed strongly to the positive result, with Wellnex looking to launch further new products throughout the 2023 financial year. And finally, the A2 Milk Company has today announced the appointment of a new chairperson in the form of Pip Greenwood. Greenwood is an experienced director who also acts as the chairperson for Westpac New Zealand, a role she has filled since October 2021. Additionally, she serves as a director for Fisher & Paykel and Spark New Zealand. A2 Milk is today holding their annual meeting in Auckland, where existing chairman David Hearn will announce that he intends to stand down as a board member and chair at the next annual meeting in November 2023, as he comes to the natural end of his term as a director after 9 years on the board. This is, of course, when Pip Greenwood will then commence her role as chairperson for A2 Milk. Time now for a quick break on the ASX at breakfast before we take a look at world markets, the Aussie dollar, oil, gold, and the world of crypto. If you're looking to keep abreast of the biggest stories from the crypto world, the fate of exchanges and crypto hedge funds during the ongoing bear market, and you're wanting to keep up to date with the best and worst performers in the altcoin space and that of flagship currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, then Kalkine Media's Daily Crypto Catch is absolutely essential viewing for you. Tune in each afternoon right here on Kalkine Media to get the latest scoop from anchor to zero coin. Welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast on Kalkine TV, where we give you all the information you'll need for a successful day of trading. In Europe, the Stoxx 50 fell by 0.1%, London's FTSE dropped 0.1%, the CAC dipped 0.5%, and the DAX ended 0.2% higher. MSCI's gauge of stocks across the globe shed 0.91%, while the Pan-European Stoxx 600 index also fell. Oil prices also fell over Thursday. Oil fell more than 3% as the rising number of COVID-19 cases in China and the likelihood of higher US interest rates than currently expected weighed on demand. US crude futures fell $3.95 to settle at $81.64 a barrel, and Brent crude settled down by $3.08 at $89.78. Likewise, gold prices also took a tumble. Gold prices retreated 1% on Thursday as the dollar bounced. Spot gold fell by 0.8% to $1,760 and 43 cents per ounce by 1:50 p.m. Eastern Time. And US gold futures also settled down by 0.7% to $1,763. And lastly, the crypto market has managed to maintain some stability. In the past 24 hours, the global crypto market cap has seen a marginal increase of 0.4% to be valued at approximately $830.9 billion US dollars, up from Monday's figure of $825.37 billion. Bitcoin has increased by 1% in the past 24 hours to trade at just above $16,703 US dollars as of 9:45 a.m. Sydney time, according to CoinMarketCap. Well, that's all for this edition of the ASX at Breakfast. Have a great day trading and make sure to keep it locked here on Kalkine TV for the latest market insights and business news. I'm James Preston, reporting for Kalkine Media.